Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect an Arzopa portable monitor to a PC. The first method is USB-C to USB-C connection. This works if your PC has a full-featured USB-C or Thunderbolt port that supports video output. Plug one end of the USB-C cable into the Arzopa monitor. Then connect the other end to your PC USB-C port. The monitor will automatically receive power and video signal. The display should appear. If nothing shows, open Display Settings on your PC and select Extend or Duplicate mode. The second method is HDMI with USB-C power. Use this if your PC does not support video through USB-C. First, connect the Type-C power cable to the monitor and plug the other end into a power source or USB port. Next, connect the mini HDMI cable to the monitor. Then plug the HDMI end into your PC graphics card or motherboard. The screen should appear. If needed, adjust display settings to activate the second screen. Finally, adjust resolution and choose Extend or Duplicate mode for better use. Your Arzopa portable monitor is now ready for work or gaming. Thanks for watching.